Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple messages at once on the Fiverr app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and clear your inbox on the Fiverr app. How do you actually go ahead and delete multiple messages at once? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up the Fiverr app. Next, you're going to click on messages on the bottom left-hand corner. From here, you're going to click on the edit option on the top left-hand corner. And then this is where you could actually start collecting or selecting messages. And then you could actually click on archive on the bottom left-hand side, or you can click on more and then delete these messages as well. So this is going to be a good way to clear your inbox and filter your inbox, but there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete multiple messages on Fiverr app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.